There is a silent pain that many people carry, not because they are lonely, but because they are present yet unnoticed. They sit in rooms full of people. They hear laughter, conversations, energy, but somehow they feel invisible. If you've ever felt like conversations slip away from you, like people talk at you, not with you, like you never know what to say, this video is for you. You are not boring. You are simply unexpressed potential. Today, we're not just talking about social skills. We're rebuilding your emotional presence, your confidence, your connection to others, and most importantly, your connection to yourself. Stay with me until the end, because what you'll learn here can change the way the world experiences you. People don't walk away from conversations because they hate you. They walk away when conversations make them feel ignored, unseen, unvalued, emotionally empty. Human beings aren't looking for interesting people, they're looking for emotionally rewarding experiences. The brain stays where it feels safe, respected, understood, emotionally energized. So when someone talks to you and feels, I matter here, I feel heard, I feel comfortable, they don't just like talking to you, they crave talking to you. This is not about being funny, not about being loud, not about being the center of the room. It's about emotional connection, and emotional connection is learnable. Let's pause for a moment. I want you to answer honestly in the comments. Do you feel like you're A, quiet but misunderstood, B, socially anxious, C, ignored even when you try, D, improving but still struggling, or E, confident but want deeper connections? Write your answer, because the first step to change is awareness. Now, let's build you. One of the biggest reasons people feel disconnected is because they try too hard to be likable. They perform, they overthink, they force words, they fake personality. And when you try to perform, you disconnect from yourself. And when you disconnect from yourself, people subconsciously disconnect from you. Shift your mindset from, I hope they like me, to, I just want this moment to feel real. Calm energy is powerful. Authenticity is magnetic. Sincerity is unforgettable. People feel when your presence is genuine, and they naturally lean closer. People think being interesting means talking more. Wrong. Being interesting often means listening better, but not ordinary listening, not waiting for your turn, not nodding mechanically. I'm talking about high-value listening, where you are slow, present, emotionally aware. When someone speaks, don't rush, don't judge, don't mentally prepare your reply, just be there. Respond to their emotions, not just their words. Them, work has been exhausting. You, that sounds emotionally draining, not just tiring. Suddenly, they feel understood. And when someone feels understood, they feel connected. And connection is irresistible. People don't remember every word you say. They remember how you made them feel. To be emotionally interesting, add feelings, add honesty, add humanity. Instead of, I went out with friends, say, I didn't feel like going at first, but being around them reminded me how alive I actually am. Suddenly, you're not noise. You're a story. You're emotion. You're human. And humans connect with humans, not empty words. Every conversation is energy exchange. People don't avoid boring people. They avoid draining people. Negative energy, cold energy, judgmental energy, emotionally empty energy. But warm presence, calm confidence, gentle humor, soft emotional warmth, people are drawn to it like gravity. You don't need to be loud, you just need to be emotionally alive. Psychology shows humans are drawn to familiarity, kind responses, emotional validation, safe emotional presence. This is why some people become unforgettable. When you respond kindly, stay consistent, listen deeply, and respect their emotions, you become a place people emotionally return to. That's social magnetism. That's connection. That's attachment. Here's where this video becomes powerful. Tools you can apply today. Tool 1. Expansion. Them, I feel overwhelmed. You, mentally overwhelmed or emotionally overwhelmed. They continue. Depth increases. Bond grows. Tool 2. Emotional echo. Them, it was difficult. You, difficult. They open more. Tool 3. Complement their mind. Not looks, not surface. I like how thoughtful you are. You express yourself really clearly. That perspective is really smart. This touches the soul. Tool 4. Comfort in silence. You don't rush. You allow breath. Silence isn't awkward. It's intimacy. True confidence isn't loud. It isn't ego. It isn't dominance. It is emotional peace. It is walking into conversation thinking, I don't need to prove anything. I just need to be real. When you accept yourself, people feel relaxed with you. Because confidence isn't taught through words, it is felt through presence. 7-day transformation plan. Day 1. Soft eye contact with warm presence. Day 2. Ask one meaningful question. Day 3. Practice emotional reflection. Day 4. Share a feeling in a story. Day 5. Intelligent compliment. Day 6. Practice silent confidence. Day 7. Reflect and repeat. Repeat this and watch your life change. Before you try to make people love talking to you, ask yourself something more important. Do you enjoy being with yourself? Because the truth is, people don't only feel your words, they feel your self-image, your inner peace, your confidence. If inside you live with, I'm not enough, I'm boring, no one wants me, then your body language, your tone, your presence will quietly carry that insecurity. But when you start respecting yourself, liking who you are, and building emotional peace inside, you stop chasing approval, and people naturally feel drawn to you. So work on your inner world. Heal what hurts. Build a life you feel proud to express. When you become emotionally rich inside, your presence becomes powerful, and people don't just like talking to you, they feel lucky to talk to you. You've never been boring. You've just been silent inside. You've never been socially weak. You simply weren't taught emotional communication. But now, you understand connection. You understand value. You understand presence. Now I want to ask you, which part hit you the most? Tell me in the comments. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear you are not boring. You are becoming powerful. See you in the next video.